The Samsung Galaxy A55 series has been a standout in the brand's lineup, which brings flagship-level hardware and software available in the fraction of the cost. The Galaxy A55 continues the legacy with impressive design and features. According to Counterpoint Research, A55 is highest-selling phone in 35 to 50,000 segment with more than 1 million units shipped. Galaxy A55 seamlessly blends style and durability. Crafted with a sleek metal frame features, brushed metal finish and a glass back. This phone comes in trendy colors, ice blue, navy to match your style. Galaxy A55 5G comes with unmatched durability. This phone is IP67 rated, which means they are water and dust resistant. Phone can last up to 30 minutes in 1 meter of water. Accidents could also involve dropping the phone. A55 is protected by the toughest glass on A series ever, which is Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, which is 2 times scratch and drop resistant than its competitor. The Galaxy A55 5G comes with multiple flagship camera features enhanced by AI to take the user's content game to the next level. With enhanced nightography, this phone takes clearer and more vibrant photos even in poor lighting condition, with up to 50% less noise. That means every nighttime photo can reach awesome new levels. With AI depth mapping, A55 produces stunning portrait in low light with more accurate bokeh effect. Now here we compare the A35 with this one in terms of camera, and these are the results for both. And don't forget the 32 megapixel front camera. Coming to the videography, optimized color contrast in bright and dark spots and 64x richer colors with 12-bit Super HDR videos captures details and colors in every frame. Once a picture is captured, basis content analysis with AI throws you quick edit features for your photos like Photo Remaster, which lets the user glam up the images, bringing back photos to life. Object Eraser feature can be used to remove all those photo bombers and reflections that you just cannot escape. If you're looking for one of the best camera phones under 40,000, then this is it. Well, like we've been telling you, another one from the A series, the A35, also gives a wholesome experience compared at a lesser price than A55. So if this one does not fit your budget, check out the A35. Also, the A35 starts at Rs 25,999, which includes Rs 5,000 of instant festive discount. Well, the Samsung A55 starts at Rs 33,999, including Rs 6,000 of instant festive discount.